two, now. All together. Nice.
Aloy. Yo, ako mo okay. My con. Ole, fai ko nga. Ole. Le mea le joa. Que eu falei tanto.
É, mas acaba.
Alright, we're gonna have lunch here with the fam. It's one of my favorite places to eat here in New Zealand. So yeah, bringing the fam to taste one of my favorite dishes. Come here. Oh, I miss duck rice. Here on the couch. Oh yeah, here. She can come by. Oh, there's a toilet there. So I usually go for the teriyaki beef on rice. This one here. Mai ole mam. Le. Mai. I'll probably get Dab a soup, like a chicken soup. Yeah, ole beef. Mai. Chicken soup. Oh, there. Mai ola ko supu. Supu moa o le supu ma moi ponga ibi. Mai, ma moi ponga ibi. Supu moa. Oh, yum. Melak fia, so beef on rice, teriyaki. Aí will soup. Vai. É mais só, né? Ola supo na nga mai.
Não, mas não.
Maya. What's hot? Just woke up, my love. My lovey just woke up. Lovey just woke up, and as soon as she opened her eyes, she saw this little playground. Amairu? Alright, home time. Let's go. Put on your shoes. No, it's not. Let's go. Alright. Sit on it and ride. Right? That's right. Roy. See, my sister made the bunny popo. Damn, so good. This is my cinnamon rolls. 2 flavors. Oh, and that's for us. So this is to take to my cousin because she wanted it. She requested this to be made. And this is for me.
Oleh chef le oleh popo.
Yum. And the chef, of course, the baker, sorry. Cinnamon rolls baker right here. Sister made the bunny popo. She makes this bunny popo. I requested it today because it's our last day. Amaya's being cranky. Mother just woke up. And yeah, it's our last day today. Thank you so much. It's been such an amazing 3 weeks. It's time to go back. Got a lot to do when we get back. Hey. Yeah, let's go. You ready to go back? Are you ready to go back? Yeah? You ready to go back? Sit up. Your teeth. Amara, your last day here in Kiwiland? Look. Akilani. Oh, she's going down. Can't wait to eat. Oh, thanks, cuz. Hey, hi, baby. Hi, baby. What did you do? What did you do? Oh, what were you doing? Nothing? Is that fun? Is that fun? So cute. Yeah. Okay, bye. See you next time. See you next time. Probably older when you see me next time.
They were so
nice.
soft. Yeah.
The what?
The ones we bought last time.
Oh, yeah. Those ones are different. Oh. So cute. Ula's house. My Larry just woke up. Alright, just here at Martha's backyard, grabbing some plates. Maybe making ice cakes over there. So many different flavors. Amara, come, baby. These legs. I'll be getting some lollipops. Oh my gosh, my favorite. I love these ones. I used to eat it when I was, me and Emma, American Samoa, we used to eat these a lot. Like we would get like afakala. Afakala is 50 cents. And then we would go straight to the shop and use it on lollies. Oh my gosh. These, I love these too. Oh my god, juicy fruit. What is this? Oh, I used to eat these. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey, leave it. Leave it, baby. Oh my gosh. When me and Emma used to do Halloween in Mangasama, we used to get heaps of these. No, oh my gosh. We used to eat this like that, like raw. Okay. How's it, baby? Yummy. Man, I'm already feeling sad. The fact that we're leaving tomorrow morning. Oh my gosh. I just love New Zealand. Would I move back here? I don't know. Maybe in the future. I don't know. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say anything right now. Hey, come. The car's coming. Come. Alrighty. So we came back. Now we're making a few dishes. Last meal before we go. Yeah, I wanted to eat all of my favorite food. Well, not all, but like some of my favorite food before I leave New Zealand. So I made this soup, lamb soup, fa'i. I also made this mutton curry. My parents, I made it the first time in my family really loved this, so they requested for me to make it before I leave. So that is that. Corn, and my sister's. I love how she makes this. It's so good. So I've asked her to make it before. I make it today because we're leaving tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's that. It's honey soy chicken or something like that. It tastes so good. And oh my gosh, when we went to the meat store, I saw the bakua moa, or the chicken backs as well. So I was like, oh my gosh, we gotta get these. I haven't had those in a while. And alright, so we're currently at Botanic Garden, just doing a mini photo shoot with the fam. I haven't been here in a very long time. I think the first and last time I came here was back in 2008. The fam. Yeah. They thought that was saying that. Yeah, cool. I like Gabriel's outfit. Yeah, that's nice. Making the most of our Indian outfits. Just trust me, you'll be fine. There we have a photographer, an old friend, aka cousin, Charles, the famous photographer. Hi.
Wait, our photo shoot is so last minute.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's okay. It's just you guys.
Just us.
Oh, I know.
Alay, soma. Uy, kalanghain mo. Yung tingin, yung ipango,
This is where you guys. Oh, AIGA. First DVD was. They shot it here. Oh yeah, I remember here. Oh wow. Do you eat these? Oh, I remember this. Like I remember this. Yeah.
Together in the middle. Revolver, yeah. Nice. Big two. Another big two. Another big two. Yeah. And then green tape in the middle. In the middle. Like this side. This is like this. Nah, yeah, okay. I like this side. They come in together a little bit more. Yeah. Wait. Wait, two. Wait, two. One more. Wait, two. Nice. Thank you.
I love
Can I do
that
one of? I'll do one of just your parents.
Look here.
Oh, nice.
Look up here and smile.
Wait, two.
Look at that smile, Gabriel.
Gabriel, look at the camera.
Okay, Gabriel. Wait, two. Ay, meron 5 ka ba? Ilan na ilan? Nice. Wait, two. Wait, two. If I know I might go more. Jangan put a kiss kalau kiss lang udah pa. Yeah, there. Nice. Wait, two. Nice. If I kiss kikira lang udah mah kiss ya. Kikira lang udah mah. Wait, there. Wait, two. Can you tell your dad to hold it? Why are you so sad, baby? Okay. Wait, Alright, so look back at Selena.
Not like that.
Now, can I bring baby with you? Yeah, good boy.
Such a model.
Can I do one or just her?
Maya, may makabaka. Maya, why are you not smiling today? Huh? You need to smile. Hey, we need that smile. We need that smile, baby. So it's windy. It's windy out there.
Some British coffee.
Yeah.
What can I get you guys over here?
Over there?
Yeah, over there. Yeah, you're telling me, man.
Okay, so funny. Look this way.
Nice. One more, can I get you? And then people say,
Okay, bro. Come, baby.
Nice, can I add to the wait, two. Picture. Wait, two. Oh yeah, there. Hold your first back, wait, two. Nice, look at your head. Nice. Head up a little bit. Nice.
Breathe in and breathe out. Hey, come here.
Anyone want? Oh. Poi fallo uli ako. Aka uli lo pa mo mali. Ya, mali pa ka kami muli ni.
Come on. So do you want these?
Yeah.
Mama, Dad in the middle. And then me and Gabe on this side.
Oh yeah,
And then you guys.
Wait, what? Alright, so everyone move together.
So just swap. Is that what it is? No, what? It's a video, right? Yeah. Photos. Cool? Yeah. Alright.
Did you always do a video together.
Gabriel.
Gabriel thing too. Nice. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hey. Hey. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding.
So many Thailand.
Tala ye posso galar.
Dance.
Siva, yeah, I will.
Gabriel. Alrighty, so that was our photo shoot, mini photo shoot. Hey! Let's go! Let's go, Fifi. And yeah, I'm gonna go home and eat because I'm so freaking hungry. I don't want to eat until after the photo shoot, so I'm excited. I'm gonna be eating till I sleep tomorrow and wake up tomorrow morning, have some pie, and then off to the airport. It's been such a wonderful time that we've had here in New Zealand with my parents, and yeah, looking forward to the next time that we come back to New Zealand. Look at this water. It's so dirty. Wow. What if they clean it? There's no fish in there. They wouldn't be able to survive in there. So dirty it is.
Pia waja ni ile wao ile kasoma macro. Ni ya ndio tulifanya hivi na swata ya tumeona ni ma mwai. Kama mwai kwa ile unofunya ndani ni soso. Ngamba na ngebe ya msumsema. Tayo no macro kama. Ni ai wai fo i tafsir macro no família usaria. Já teria me pelo com a Yesu.
Lamb curry. Supama moy. And roti. Ay, mo lang. How's it, Gabe? Nice? You like nane? Fifi 89. Last meal.
After ile manatu maima. Yo matua. Sawa sesi maima. Tato fino ya na fora to malana to woni. Australia le to so ya fai na mala. To tai to ya la uma. Tato. Sao ni le to ale. Tato pesi. So fine water.
It's home time. It's time to go. It's too early.
Please.
Man. Kasih dua kodo, kasih dua kodo, kasih dua kodo, kasih dua kodo.
Lupa twice. Nyam-nyam kecil ini. My baby, miss you.
Femel sa Bali ya? Femel sa Bali. Take care. Yeah, video. Oh, it is on. Yeah, okay. Alright. Bye, Dad. Bye-bye. She's hungry. Hungry. Missing home. Missing my parents and my family here in New Zealand. Unfortunately, we have to go back because Dada's waiting and Dada's been missing you. Huh? Dada's been missing you. Yeah, let's go eat more chickpeas over there. Get to a gate first and then you can eat whatever you want. Huh? Eat. Myra. Baby.
Sure, on time departure, and that all your luggage travels with you.
And the cabin crew will help you out as well. Give you some stuff. That's okay.
Man, look at this one. Hey. Man, she's giving me a hard time right now. animal. Look at this monkey. Monkey, are you a monkey? Don't act like a monkey. Where is this bag? Where is this bag? Careful! Where the hell is she going? She doesn't even care about me. She just left me. She left me completely. Totally forgot. What the? Nah. Look at your dad's beard. What happened? Huh? Myra, who's this? Baby, who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's that? Who's that? Is it Tati? Tati?